Welcome to the Waterfall meditation. Before we dive into the healing flow of the water, let us reflect on the foundation of our existence. Think of health as the number one in your life. Consider everything else you work so hard to achieve. Your career, your status, your wealth, and your successes as the zeros that follow it. If you do not make your health the priority, if you do not place it at the very beginning, all those zeros remain powerless. Without that one leading the way, you were left with 0, 0, 0, 1, which in the end is just 1. But when you place your health first, every achievement you add begins to multiply your value 10, 100, 1,000 times over. Now, every step you take and every value you cultivate has a multiplier effect, because it is that unwavering one. Your health, your breath, your being, that makes everything else meaningful. As long as you are well, every new milestone expands the horizon of your life. As long as you nurture this foundation, every zero you add only makes you stronger. Now, let us move towards the waterfall and begin the journey of nurturing that one. Now, again, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your body becoming heavy, yet supported by the earth beneath you. Imagine yourself walking on a path of soft, damp moss. You are in the heart of an ancient forest. The air here is different. It is rich, cool, and filled with the scent of pine and wild emerald leaves. With every step, you feel more grounded. You are moving toward the sound of falling water, a rhythmic, inviting pulse that calls to your soul. You reach a clearing, and there it is, the waterfall. This is no ordinary water. It flows with a brilliant, translucent emerald light. This is the liquid form of vital energy, the energy of the heart, of growth, and of the restoration. Step closer to the edge. Again, take a deep breath in and out. Feel the mist on your skin. doesn't just feel wet, it feels like a soft vibration waking up every cell in your body. This green light is here to nurture that one, your primal foundation of health. Now, visualize yourself stepping under the gentle flow of this emerald waterfall. As the green water touches the crown of your head, it begins to wash away everything that no longer serves you. It washes away the stress of chasing zeros. It washes away the fatigue, the noise, and the pressure of the outside world. Please take a deep breath. And out. Feel the emerald light flowing through your shoulders, down your spine, filling your heart space. Every drop is a reminder. You are whole. You are vibrant. You are the priority. Let's stay here for a moment in this green cocoon. Feel the liquid light recharging your energy centers. Your body is now glowing with the same emerald brilliance as the waterfall. You are not just standing in the water. You are becoming one with its life-giving force. Your health is now glowing, strong, and unshakable. Slowly step back from the waterfall. Feel the ground beneath your feet again, stronger than before. Carry this emerald glow within you. Whenever you feel overwhelmed by the world, remember this place. Take one last deep breath. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes.